The tech industry is facing a crisis, and it's not just about the numbers. The future of graduate careers is at stake, and AI is at the heart of this unsettling shift. According to the Institute of Student Employers ISE, the UK tech sector has witnessed a staggering 46% drop in graduate job opportunities, with projections indicating an even steeper decline of 53% in the near future. This alarming trend is a far cry from the 12% decline experienced during the pandemic in 2020. And it's not just limited to the tech industry. The culprit? AI. Artificial intelligence is now performing entry-level tasks that were once the domain of fresh graduates, including routine coding, data analysis, and basic digital tasks. Companies are opting for experienced professionals over training newcomers, creating a challenging landscape for young talent. But here's where it gets controversial. Whisper. While AI is taking over certain roles, it's not necessarily impacting wages according to a Stanford study. So, is AI a friend or foe to recent college grads? And this is the part most people miss. The tech industry is not just replacing humans with AI, it's also using AI to manage its own recruitment processes. The ISE survey reveals that while AI is not yet deeply integrated into graduate recruitment, its adoption is on the rise, especially in gamified assessments. However, there's a catch. AI agents often get office tasks wrong, and many so-called AI systems aren't even AI at all. Employers are aware of this and are taking steps to prevent job applicants from cheating with AI. But is this enough to ensure a fair playing field for graduates? The tech industry's own actions are creating a vicious cycle. By cutting graduate jobs and relying on AI, companies are essentially shutting the door on the very talent they need in the long run. This short-sighted approach could lead to a severe talent shortage in the future. So, is AI the savior or the villain in this story? And what does this mean for the future of work and graduate careers? These are questions we must ask and discuss. The impact of AI on the job market is a complex and evolving issue, and it's time we had an open and honest conversation about it. What are your thoughts? Feel free to share your opinions and insights in the comments below.